Tag someone on WhatsApp group chat is a pretty simple thing to do. Now I'll guide you how you guys can do it properly. So what you have to do is to go to the Play Store and install WhatsApp and make sure that your WhatsApp application is up to date and is running on the latest version. So if you know that, after that simply open up the WhatsApp application, and once you open it up, go to the group where you want to send and tag somebody particularly in a group chat. So simply go ahead and type in @sign, and now all the group members name will be shown right here. So go ahead and click on any of the name you want to mention, and by doing that you can type in any text, and then it will be sent over to him in a group chat while tagging him in the group chat. So this is how you guys can do it. I hope you find this video helpful and guideful, and if you find it helpful and guideful, don't forget to like, subscribe and share, and hit the bell icon so you won't miss any future updates. This is your boy signing off. Take care. Bye bye.